Alright guys, so today we are going to be benchmarking my beast of a computer. But first, there's these two fans and then the exhaust fan in the back. They're not lighting up.
I think it's just because the cable isn't staying plugged in, because I've had problems with that in the past.
Because all of the other fans are lighting up perfectly fine. It's just these two fans and the back one that aren't. And those three fans are on the same cable. So I think that if I just kind of fix that up and maybe even solder it if it needs to be done. So if you look right here, you have this cable, those two that plastic thing right there broke off. That one there broke off. That one doesn't matter though because it's in the middle, but those broke off, and then they just don't really seem to connect very well. Alright guys, so we just got that right there beaded all up. Right there. We got it all beaded up, so it should stay. It works. Now we're definitely going to get more frames per second. I mean, 3 more RGB fans, man. 100% more frames. So yeah, let's go.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. My content has been doing really good, and I appreciate you guys supporting it. I'm gaining subscribers like literally no other time in my channel. So if you guys want another video, another one will come out next Monday. Hopefully I'll do something Halloween kind of. Not really sure what to do, so if you have any ideas, put them in my Discord server. The link to that will be down below. See you guys in the next one. Later.